Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Coinbase wire transfer address. First, open your Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll want to find your way to the Assets or Portfolios section. From there, select your Cash, USD, or USD wallet to begin the deposit process. This is where you'll initiate the steps to find the necessary banking information. After selecting your USD wallet, look for the Deposit button and click it. You'll then be presented with various deposit methods. Choose the Wire Transfer or US Fed Wire Transfer option. It's crucial to confirm that the name on your external bank account exactly matches the name on your Coinbase account to avoid any delays or issues with your deposit. Once you've selected the Wire Transfer option, Coinbase will display all the essential banking instructions. Carefully note down the recipient name, the bank's name, and the routing number. You'll also find a unique account number and a reference code. These are vital for your bank to correctly process your transfer. Double-check all these details before proceeding. With all the necessary information from Coinbase, you can now initiate the wire transfer through your bank's online portal or by visiting a branch. Remember to include the specific reference number provided by Coinbase to ensure your funds are correctly attributed. Typically, wire transfers take 1 to 3 business days to process and appear in your Coinbase account. A $10 fee may apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.